Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off screen time without passcode in iOS 26 on your iPhone or iPad. So guys, if you want to turn it off without passcode, here I will show you how can you do this or whether you can do this or not. So guys, as you can see this, if you tap on change screen time passcode, then you will see two options. One is change screen time passcode and the other is turn off screen time passcode. Let me go to change screen time passcode from here, and here you can see you can enter the old screen time passcode to change the passcode. Since you have forgot, you have to simply tap on forgot passcode, and from here you have to give here your email address or phone number of your Apple ID. And once you enter your email address or phone number, after this you have to give the password of your Apple ID from here for one time. So guys, after this you will be able to turn off or change the passcode of your screen time from here once you give the password and your Apple ID. So guys, this is the first way, and the second way is that you have to simply go to change screen time passcode again, and then you have to tap on turn off screen time passcode, and from here you can see you can enter your passcode to turn it off. Since you have forgot, you have to simply tap on forgot passcode from here again, and then you have to enter your email address and phone number of your Apple ID, and then you will be able to turn it off very easily. So guys, these are the two ways which you can follow to turn off screen time without passcode on iOS 26. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.